Crazy. I just woke up. So first things first, it's been some time since I posted on the channel. I know last video I did was the AM and Sapucci test bus review. I no longer have the actual 03 G35 sedan manual. I'm currently driving an 04 manual with the C999. It's a full bolt-on tune, the Z1 E-tune. Only thing is, I got wideband sensors now, so all in all, it's a win. I know a lot of y'all don't know, but I did ruin the subframe of my other G, trying to be DK. But it was a really humbling experience. It was actually really fun rebuilding a whole new G. We took everything from my shell, from the motor to the suspension to the mods, and then we transferred them all over into this vehicle right now.
Running away.
Got our much anticipated Henkoautolab 3-inch resonator white pipe. This is the box that came in. I just wanted you guys to see it. Pretty solid packaging. Came on time. They're crazy good over there. You guys give a shout out to Tony. Alright, finally got it open. And this is what we got going on over here. Sweet. Decals. This is definitely going on my livery or livery. Never learned how to say that word actually, but they gave me 2 of these bad boys. So I'm gonna put one on each side of the car. Thank you guys. Sweet. No, small. They gave me airheads. So this is the invoice. They gave me even more decals. I guess like some smaller ones. These are awesome. I like the color on the material. It's got like a cool texture on it too. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a silver metallic, but it's got like ridges on it, almost like metal. So that's pretty badass. Here is your sign. Scan me. Of course, here too. Airheads. Honestly, I love the white mystery flavor. It's my favorite one. The blue one's a little too sour for me, but I'm definitely gonna eat them both because I'm fat. Thank you guys. So, what you all been waiting for, they even included their own hardware, which is pretty nice of them. I didn't think they were gonna do that actually. That's pretty freaking awesome. I don't have to reuse my old hardware. So looking at these resonators, I'm 6'4", and I have a size 16 in shoes that I wear, and I have huge baseball mitt hands. And you can see just how small my hands look compared to the resonators in the video. So I do have a problem with my rasp currently around the 2,500 to 3,000 RPM range. So these things definitely got rid of that, and I never had any doubts about it. All right, after much struggling, I finally got out the package. They really secured this thing. And I will say, guys, this thing is the most beautiful piece of thing I've ever seen, and I'm not exaggerating. So even this, just look at the welds on this thing. If you can focus, this thing looks like a titanium, but it's stainless steel. Like, that's how quality this thing looks. Even the metal itself, it's thick, it's not thin, it's not cheap. And back to these resonators, these things are huge. Like, holy cow. Oh my God, this is crazy. So it's got the flange here. Take a look at those. This is the one that's connecting to the mid pipe. So let's just compare this to the actual OEM wide pipe just for like a visual side by side. So once I put them side by side, it really became apparent that Henkoautolab really took their time with getting OEM fitment down to a T. This thing lines up dang near perfect as if it was made from factory, which is kind of crazy. I had no issues installing it on the car. Everything fit like a glove, everything fit like it should. So if you still have stock cats or stock exhaust mid pipe, it should be any issue with installation. Safety first. Always use a 3-ton jack stand. Never, never, never forget it. I'm putting these on the ramps. I'm crawling to the car the best I can. I know that looks kind of crazy, but that's actually a header wrap from where I tried to fix my exhaust leak on my ISRY pipe, but we'll get into that in a second. Alright guys, I know it's not the prettiest, but don't judge. I usually do this on my exhaust to help with any kind of potential leaks that may occur between the flanges. So far it works, even though it's not, pretty to look at. Right there is that header wrap that's dragging, and that is the header wrap itself tearing again from the initial cover up I did from the ISR pipes hanging too low, and just creating this really nasty exhaust leak that you can hear even at idle. It doesn't sound good, so I'm really just glad to be rid of it. So this is old, that's the ISRY pipe versus the Henkoautolab 3-inch resonator white pipe. It's a night and day difference, especially in just the quality alone. Let's put them right next to each other. All right, so we got the white pipe connected. That is my Megan Racing catback. This is the white pipe. As you see, the resonators are beautiful. The welds are beautiful. I will say I know my car intimately, and on my butt dyno I did notice more low end torque and power, especially in the mid-range as well. And even then, I think the old pipes were kind of restricting, because now when I come to a stop, there's no more lurching and surging, and that was really a big annoyance before, and it's completely gone. Although I'm no DK, at the end of the day, I really feel like this is worth the purchase. If you guys want it as well, use my discount code SILVERSABLE. You'll get 5% off if I'm not mistaken. Be sure to share, like, subscribe. Either one is fine. And I want to give a big thank you to the guys at Henkoautolab for pioneering and engineering relevant parts to this platform today. There's really no other white pipe quite like it, and I really think it's something that's going to be around for years to come, and I really can't wait to see what else they do.